Ace your next video call. Preparing for a video call like a pro. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into an important aspect of modern communication, video call etiquette, and more specifically, how to prepare for a video call. In this digital era, video calls have become a fundamental part of our everyday lives, so knowing how to get ready for them is crucial. It may seem casual, but preparing for a video call is essential for a few reasons. First impressions matter. You wouldn't show up to an in-person meeting without being prepared, would you? The same applies to video calls. Technical issues. You want to ensure that your tech is running smoothly to avoid any last-minute problems. Communicating effectively. When you're well prepared, you'll be able to communicate more clearly and confidently. Before your call, always check your tech. This includes internet connection. Ensure your connection is stable. You don't want your video or audio cutting out mid-conversation. Camera and microphone. Test your camera and microphone to make sure they're working properly. Background noise. Try to minimize any possible disruptions, such as notifications on your phone or computer. Your environment plays a key role in video calls. Here's what to consider. Lighting. Make sure your face is well lit. Natural light is best, but if not available, a desk lamp can do the trick. Background. Keep it clean and professional. Remember, others will see what's behind you. Distractions. Try to eliminate any potential distractions, like a TV playing in the background or pets running around. Lastly, let's talk about preparing you. Dress appropriately. Even though it's a video call, you should still dress professionally, at least from the waist up. Prepare your materials. Have any documents or resources you might need during the call easily accessible. Rehearse. If you're presenting something, rehearse beforehand to ensure you come across as confident and well prepared. And that's it, folks. Now you're ready to ace your next video call. Preparation is key, and by following these steps, you'll be sure to make a great impression. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy learning, and take care.